Welcome to Road to 100 Con Questions. The shopkeeper brought two different items costing 460 and 720 and marked it at a price 35% more. Now, when the answers are asked in percentage, you can always use 100 and solve. Instead of using 460 and 720, if you use 100, it becomes easier because both are increased by the same price. So, let's say total cost price 100. You increase by 35%. So the mark price becomes 135. So cost price 100, mark price 135. Now we give a discount of 20% on 135. So 10% is 13.5, 20% is 27. This is a discount. So automatically selling price becomes 108. So the profit becomes 8%. A option. So when the answers are asked in percentage, you can start with 100 and get the answer. 3 circles, 4 root 2, 4 root 2. So if you look at this, radius will be 2 root 2, diameter is 4 root 2, radius is 2 root 2, 2 root 2, and here the radius will be 2 minus root 2. You want the area of this triangle. So find the side. So this side will be 4 root 2 if you look at it. This side is 2 root 2 plus 2 into 2 minus root 2. If you solve this, it becomes 2 root 2 plus 4 minus 2 root 2. This gets cancelled. So this side becomes 4. So this side also becomes 4. So if you notice properly, two sides are 4 and one side is 4 root 2, which means it is a 45, 45, 90 triangle. Because hypotenuse is root 2 times the side. 45, 45, 90 triangle. So since the right angle triangle, the area will be half into product of perpendicular sides, which will give you 8 square centimeters. B option. Given that 2 upon x minus 1 upon y equal to 1 upon 10. And if you look at this, try to solve this. 2y minus x upon xy equal to 1 upon 10. Or you got 10 into 2y minus x is equal to xy. Check, you can make anything out of here. I can take xy common. So this becomes 2y minus x. If we combine the two equations, we know xy is 10 into 2y minus x. So substitute that. 10 into 2y minus x into 2y minus x equal to 1000. So you can make out 2y minus x, the whole square is 100. So 2y minus x is 10. Square root on both the sides. So if this is 10, 2y minus x. So that means xy will be 10 into 2y minus x, which is 10 into 10, 100. The product of two numbers is 100. What are possibilities? It can be 10 and 10. It can be 25 and 4. It can be 100 and 1. But this will not satisfy 2y minus x. 2y minus x equal to 10 will only satisfy with 10 and 10. 2y minus x will equal to 10 will satisfy with 10 and 10. So we know x and y are 10 and 10. If x and y are 10 and 10, so 2 into 10 plus 10 will give you 30 as the answer. D option. So you get two equations. So you have two things, 2y minus x and xy. Xy is 100. So factorize it. It can be 10, 10, 25, 4, 100, 1. Okay. And then see which value satisfies. So 10, 10 satisfies. So you can use that. There are other values also which may satisfy. For example, 520 also will be there, but that will not satisfy the first equation. So only thing that satisfies is 10, 10. 520 and 250 also. But anyway, as I said, you can keep substituting. Out here, you can use the formula log of a to the base b equal to c is a equal to b raised to c. Using that, what you get out here is log of base a, log of base b, 5 raised to 7 is equal to 4 raised to 0, which is 1. So log of base b, 5 raised to 7 will be 4 raised to 1, 4. So 5 raised to 7, sorry, not 4 raised to 1, sorry, a raised to 1, a. So 5 raised to 7 is b raised to a. Now, the b and a cannot be 1. Why it cannot be 1? Because if it's 1, the base becomes 1. The base log of 1 is not possible. Because if I say log of, let's say a to the base b, I'm just giving an example, becomes log of a upon log of b. If b is 1, denominator becomes 0. But denominator cannot be 0. So the base cannot be 1. So if base cannot be 1, so 5 raised to 7 has to be b equal to 5 and a equal to 7. So which means it becomes a plus b will become 12. That will be the answer. A 10 digit number multiplied by 15 digit number, product is multiplied by 20 digit number. Let's take the smallest number. Smallest number is 1 and 9 zeros. Then 15 digit number is 1 and 14 zeros. And the other one will be 1 and 19 zeros. So when you multiply them, what do you get? 1 and how many zeros? Number of zeros get added. 9 plus 14 plus 19. So there are 42 zeros. If there are 42 zeros, 1 and 42 zeros, the number of digits is 43. So that means minimum, the smallest possible is 43 digits. So 42 and 40 is ruled out. The smallest possible is 43 digits. So technically we can mark 44 as the answer because 43 is possible and 44 should be possible. 46 becomes not possible. But anyway, we'll try it out. How to solve? Let's take a largest number is 99999, but multiplying 999 is very difficult. So we take a number more than that. Let's take 1 and 10 0. Smallest 11 digit number. Smallest 11 digit number. Then smallest 16 digit number. 1 and 15 zeros. And smallest 21 digit number. Just bigger than whatever values are given to you. Just bigger than the largest 10 digit number, 15 digit number, 20 digit number. So when you multiply, this becomes 1 and 10 plus 15 plus 20 zeros, 45 zeros. So this is 46 digit number. Now the number will be smaller than this. So smaller than 46 digit number. So 46 digit number is not possible. So 44 is possible. So basically what is possible is 43, 44 and 45 digit numbers are possible. Okay, below that and above that is not possible. Thank you.